How can a student with low vision or blindness access a spelling test in classroom using a Refreshabraille 18 device? What is the end product? The student will be using writing in Braille, and it will appear in the Pages app in the iPad document. So this is the end product that we are going to make sure that the student has access to. So what do we need? We need the Refreshabraille device, which looks like this. We need an iPad with Wi-Fi and the Pages app. The first step is to connect these two devices. So how are we going to connect? We have to make sure the Refreshabraille device is on, and to power on, you see the power button right here. You press and hold the button for the device to switch on, and you will have to make sure the iPad is on. Once you switch on the Refreshabraille device, you do not have to deal with the device after that. The next step, you go to the iPad, you go to Settings, and then you go to General, and you will see Accessibility, and then you click on VoiceOver. You see the VoiceOver, it's right now off. When you click on it, it becomes green and it enables VoiceOver, and the iPad will start talking. Please note that if it is already green, if it is on, just make it off and then enable it on again so that we do not have to deal with the prior settings. And in the same page, once the VoiceOver, the green button, you see down, you will see a Braille. In order to activate this, anything whenever the VoiceOver is on, we need to first select it. When you select, a black border appears, and then you have to double click it to open it. So select, black border, and open. That's very important whenever VoiceOver is on. And once you open that Braille, you will see this screen, and you will see Refreshabraille at the bottom. You have to again select it, a black border appears, double click it to activate, and it will say that Refreshabraille is connected. So these two are now talking. The next step is to go to the home button, click on the home button, go to the Pages app. Please note if this app is not there in the first home screen, you will have to scroll between pages using 3-finger scroll. When VoiceOver is on, you can just scroll with a single finger. You have to scroll between the pages in the iPad using 3 fingers. And again, in order to select the pages, in order to open it, you have to select it first. A black border appears, and then double click it to open. And that's it. And the student will see a screen which is like this, and you have to make sure the body of the document is selected and double click it once the body is selected, and the student can start using the 6 keys of the Refreshabraille. These are the 6 keys in the Refreshabraille device to start writing. Thank you.